it's Daria and welcome to my channel. So it's been a while since I uploaded my video and I am sorry I've been MIA for such a long time. In December, you know, holiday season can be really hard and I didn't realize it, but I guess this holiday season hit me harder than I expected it. So I just wanted to take a little bit time off of all my social media. So I just wanted to take things slowly and just enjoy time with my family. But now it is January and I am so ready to be back. I just want to be back into my routine as soon as possible because I feel like I just really need it. So this vlog will be just a few cozy days of my life. Now it is evening and I didn't really plan to film today, but I suddenly just get a feeling that I want to take my camera and just talk for a little bit with you guys, just update you on my life. So yeah, as I'm already started filming, I just thought it will be nice to share my plans for the evening. So this evening I plan to make my vision board for this year. I have a little tradition to make a vision board not before January 1st but a days before my birthday, because I think it makes more sense for me to make plans for the year when it's not only a new calendar year but it also a new year of my life. So yeah, actually tomorrow is my birthday, so yeah, this evening I just want to get my notebook and go on Pinterest, just scroll on Pinterest for a little bit, save a lot of nice pics and make plans and a new vision board for the new year of my life. So yeah, that's the plan for the evening, but first I want to take a shower, get in my cozy pajamas, lit a candle, make myself a hot cup of tea and just enjoy my evening making this vision board. it's actually the day after my birthday. So yeah, yesterday was my birthday, and I should say it didn't go as I planned it. So I planned yesterday be like slow morning, a lot of time for myself, like a lot of journaling, a lot of planning, finishing my vision board, and yeah, but yeah, I couldn't do it. We basically worked all day yesterday and got home only when it was evening already. We just ate our dinner, ate our little cake, but the evening was actually quite nice because for a while I really wanted to go to this big bookstore in Seoul at Ganghamun, Kyobomungo, because it actually has a lot of book in English, and if you live in Korea you know the struggle. Oh yeah, I just asked my husband if we can go there, and he's just said sure. So yeah, we went actually to this bookstore, and it was really much more than I expected it, because it had a lot of literature, a lot of foreign literature, not only in English but in other languages as well. Also not like, also a lot of non-fiction books, a lot of fiction books, just a lot of books. So yeah, I was really happy, and I bought a lot of books. I actually got 9 books, so I'll show you what I've got. So I've got this fantasy book series, Light Lark by Alex Esther, and the second one, they didn't have the third one, so I guess if I like it I'll buy the third one next time. So yeah, the next is the first book of Powerless. Then I've got Better Than the Movies, and the second is Nothing Like the Movies. I got Bride, Hazelwood, and Daydream by Hannah Grace. The next one is The Ministry of Time. I just really saw a lot of good recommendations about this book, so I just thought I need to read it as well. And the last book, this book actually my husband picked for me. This is Anxious People by Frederick Beckman. I really don't know what it is about, but I hope I like it. So yeah, that was all the books I've got. Also, I pre-ordered Onyx Storm, which will get to me in the end of January, so I really looking forward to it. Now I really need to go to work, need to go to office, but before, let me show you my outfit for today. So this year I decided I want to show you more of my daily outfits, and to do so more properly I need to buy a big mirror in this room in my office, but still I don't have it, so I'll show you like this. So yeah, it is cold outside, so I have a layer of heat tech shirt and heat tech leggings underneath the simple black one. All these heat techs are from Uniqlo, and my simple black leggings in from H&M. And this gorgeous shirt, it is like this thick, warm, I don't know how this material is called, but this is literally thick and warm. And this is from Zara, but it's actually from Zara men's section. So I really like it. I really wanted to get myself this like thick warm shirt, which I can wear like a jacket as well. So yeah, I really like it. Also this year I want to try to wear more shirts. So yeah, this is little few goals for my 2025, to show you more of my daily outfits and to wear more shirts. So yeah, but now yeah, let's go to work. already told you, it was my birthday a few days ago, and all of my birthday presents are finally here, so I thought it will be nice to open them all with you guys. So yeah, let's start our birthday presents haul. These are all presents from my friends. Here in Korea we have messenger which is called Kakao Talk. So in this messenger you can send your friends presents. So it is really convenient because now, since I moved, I live a little bit far away from all of my friends, and I am so happy that even though we now living in the different places, they all remembered me and sent me all of these nice gifts. So yeah, let's open these boxes. So first one is from the brand Darba. We have this cute pouch, a little hand cream, and let's open this one. We have here the Plumping Lip Glow Volumizer. It's the new lip product, so I really wanted to try it. It's in the shade Petal Rose, and I think it's really pretty, and I think I'll gonna use it every day. Let's open the next box. Oh, this is pretty. Look. It's vitamin. How do I open it so you can see? The box is really pretty, and I think it's because it's almost Lunar New Year here in Korea. So it is Central Multivitamins. It's jellies. I really wanted to try this because all of my life I've been struggling to take these huge vitamins because I feel like I can't swallow it because they're really huge. So I decided to try these jelly ones. Let's open the next box. Oh, the package is really pretty. It's from the brand Sentica. Let's see what it is. And it's their hand cream. Oh, it's so tiny and cute. The scent is floating. Let me try the scent. It smells really nice. It's like, I think, something citrusy and a little bit of floral, but it smells really nice, and I love the packaging. I think it's really cute, and they also give me this little perfume sample. It's called Perfume Fleur Eclos. Yep, it looks like this. The next box. Oh, it's so cute. The packaging is really cute. So beautiful. How do I open it? Oh. Okay, I know what it is. It's like essential oil roll-on, and it's in the scent Cozy Lavender. I really like lavender scents because I found it really relaxing. You just roll on like this. I can use it when I want to relax or just meditate, and also They also have this quartz massager. I don't know how this called. It creates like quartz massager, so I guess we call it like this. The package is really cute. So yay! Oh, they also have in the box this fragrance tag. I think I can hang it in my wardrobe. It's really cute, and this snake, it's really cute. Okay, the next box. I know what it is. Yay! Let's open it. Okay. It's YSL Love Shine Candy Glow. I really wanted to try it since like I think last summer. The packaging is really cute and I chose the color 44B. It's this like mauve pink one. I really wanted to try it, so I'm really happy. And let's open this last one. I actually know what it is. So it's like plush blanket hoodie. It's a perfect thing for a homebody like me. Yay! I'm really happy. It actually has two. This green one is from my husband and this pink one is for me. Oh, it's really soft. Oh, it's so cute. It's look like this. It's very nice and soft and warm, and I think it will be really nice to just cozy up in this and read my books and just enjoy my time. So yeah, that was all for my birthday presents. I already showed you the birthday present from my husband. It was all of my books. I feel like it is time to end this vlog. This vlog was a little bit more chatty because I guess I just really miss talking with you guys, because I didn't vlog for like a month and a half, and I guess I really missed it and missed just talking to my camera to just update you guys in my life. So yeah, I think the next vlog will be more like eventful and not really my chitty chat. So yeah, thank you all guys for watching, and thank you for being here even if I don't really uploaded vlogs recently, but from now on I'm here and my vlogs will be up every Sunday as usual. So yeah, thank you all guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!